Hello, welcome back to the channel. This week I'm going to do a sticky toffee pudding. Alright, a real old English favourite. So simple to make and yet very, very tasty. Watch along and I'll show you how to do it. See you soon. Sticky toffee pudding. Okay, let's get into it. Start by finely chopping dates and then add them to a bowl. Add bicarbonate of soda and boiling water, then mash it up with a potato masher. This really helps blend it together. Once done, leave that to one side for later. Now add butter and treacle to your stand mixer bowl and start to mix it up on a high speed. After this, add muscovado sugar followed by 2 whole eggs. When you put in the muscovado sugar, be careful and gentle, as this could very likely fly everywhere like it did with me. Once in, add some baking powder and keep mixing. With all these ingredients mixing together, grab the date mixture that you made earlier and slowly spoon it into the mixture for the base of the pudding. Once you have a nice thick mixture, pour it into a dish of your choice and stick it in the oven for half an hour at 180 degrees centigrade. With your pudding in the oven, it's now time to make the sauce for the top of it. Put a saucepan on the hob, add some butter, followed by more muscovado sugar. Blend this up so that it melts together and starts to make a thick sauce. A little trick here, to make your treacle easier to handle, warm it up by putting it into a bowl of hot water. Add your treacle and then keep mixing it before you add whole cream. Once your sauce is done, your pudding should be ready. So get it out of the oven and then completely coat it in the sauce. Now all that's left to do is serve it up and enjoy it. Let me know in the comments how you got on. Hello, welcome back. Well, I've finished this lovely dessert and this is not all for me. I can't have that much, but we'll share it, and it's such a nice dessert that we're going to have it with a glass of Prosecco. Now I'm going to cut into it and show you what it's like. It's so soft, I don't need a knife. Wow, that looks good. In fact, that looks really good. I'm now going to top it off with a bit of cream, double cream, just a little bit. And then a little bit more of the toffee sauce. There you are. And there's about 1,000,000 calories a portion, or thereabouts. So I think you'd enjoy this. It's a good alternative to Christmas pudding, actually, as we're coming up to that time of year. Thank you very much for all your filming, Jack, and we'll see you again for another episode. See you soon. Bye.